Need to convert an MKV video into an MP4 file. HandBrake makes it easy to convert videos into a widely supported format for phones, TVs, media players, and sharing platforms. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to convert MKV to MP4 in HandBrake in 2026. So let's get started. First, launch HandBrake and click Open Source. Select the MKV video you want to convert and wait for HandBrake to scan the file. Before continuing, make sure you've selected the correct MKV file. Next, open the Summary tab and find the Format option. Select MP4 or the MP4 compatible option shown in your version of HandBrake. This tells HandBrake to create an MP4 container for the converted video. Now open the Video tab and review the encoder, frame rate, and quality settings. If compatibility is your main goal, choose a commonly supported video encoder and use a suitable preset. There's no need to change every setting if the default preset already gives you the quality and compatibility you need. Next, review the Audio and Subtitles tabs. Make sure the audio tracks and subtitle tracks you want to keep are included in the output. Take a moment to check these options, especially if your MKV contains multiple audio languages or subtitle tracks. Now choose where you want HandBrake to save the converted MP4 file. Give it a new file name so you can easily distinguish it from the original MKV. Keeping the original MKV is a good idea until you've checked that the new MP4 works correctly. Finally, click Start Encode and wait for HandBrake to finish. Once the conversion is complete, open the Output folder and play the MP4 to check the video and audio. So you've successfully converted your MKV video into an MP4 file, and that's how to convert MKV to MP4 in HandBrake. Open your MKV, select MP4 as the output format, review the video and audio settings, choose your destination, and start the encode. Once you've done it a few times, the entire workflow becomes quick and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.